All the messages underneath as well.
Then that's sort of a size of an adjustment at a time.
Okay.
You dump a full dough.
It's quite quicker, but eight.
Actually made enough of an adjustment because sometimes if you just move this, it's actually not really. I'll make note of where I go. So if I prefer a 30-second shot, I will allow it to
Next.
go 29 or 1.
Yeah.
And it's
29.
30.
Yes.
All of them.
£7.
Oh, that's
They're
good.
not expensive.
No, I get one. I get one. Water in the bottom of the coffee.
Yeah.
But that wasn't.
And we're going to lower it to about that point. And then we're going to stop. And we're just going to polish.
You make a coffee for Rosslyn.
Yeah, we'll
You're doing
cupping.
very good.
We do cuppings. And we'll try 10 or 11 of our coffees on the table. When you come, you get a glass of wine.
Not
Do you like some?
Yeah, we definitely want one of those.
We'll get one. Let's get a box of 3. One of.
Okay.
Does
Yeah.
you want anything special?
In that case, should we have it on?
Chocolate hazel cardamom.
One of the bananas separate.
Kokura.
When flash and vibrate. Oh, I see.
Not too late.
Yeah. That's really good.
We need to also make sure everyone here they will open it. We will open it again at some point. Yeah. Check on the maps or in the TfL whether this station is still open because sometimes they close the station, sometimes it's severe delay.
Big bars.